A man is free from prison and back with his family tonight after a judge ruled that he was wrongfully incarcerated for more than 40 years. 22 News reporter Nicole Buddy has the latest.
Edward Wright and his lawyers say he was wrongfully convicted of murdering his friend Penny Anderson in 1984 at her Springfield apartment, and now we're hearing from his legal team. Walking away from the Springfield courthouse as a free man after 4 decades of being incarcerated, Edward Wright and his lawyers say he was wrongfully convicted of murdering his friend Penny Anderson. This happened back in 1984 at her Springfield apartment.
This case is still hanging over his head, but he is not fighting this from a cage.
Wright's conviction was overturned back in April. Hampden County Superior Court Judge Sarah Hamilton released him Thursday afternoon. On the same day, Supreme Judicial Court Justice Georges denied the DA's right to appeal the overturning of Wright's conviction.
He is free today, and we hope to be back here very soon to be able to say that he has been exonerated.
Earlier this year, Hampden County Superior Court Judge Jeremy Bucci found that the prosecution withheld significant evidence during Wright's trial, including evidence of a break-in at the crime scene. The judge also stating a detective gave false testimony at trial. Now, Mr. Wright didn't speak at Thursday's press conference. However, we're now hearing from District Attorney Anthony Gallooni and what he has to say. The murder of Penny Anderson was a violent and cowardly act, devastating both her family and the community. He went on to say a Hampden County jury convicted the defendant after a trial, and that conviction had been upheld 5 times over the course of nearly 4 decades through multiple levels of judicial review, including by the Supreme Judicial Court. He says he disagrees with the decision to allow the motion for a new trial. His office has started the legal process to decide their next steps. The New England Innocence Project, who has represented Mr. Wright for the last 10 years, says if there is a retrial, the case will be turned over to another attorney. This was Wright's 6th motion for a new trial. That means he tried 5 previous times in the state's courts to overturn his conviction. Each time he was denied. Working for you, Nicole Buddy, 22 News.